Today's RBI has to do with the weather, not here, but in the UK, because if you remember, 3 weeks ago, we went to England to talk about the risk of a severe power shortage this winter there and in Europe, especially if it gets really cold. Well, it's happening. The weather's been terrible. It's been colder than average and projected to be for the next couple of weeks. And now natural gas prices are beginning to soar once again. Look at this. This is a chart of the Dutch spot natural gas market, but this is kind of the benchmark for all of Europe. Natural gas prices are up 40% from the end of October, and while they are still down from their all-time highs of 3 months ago, they are still up nearly 500% more than 1 year ago. This means that many UK and European power suppliers may have to buy natural gas at these rates if they cannot produce or buy enough power on their own. And because they cannot pass along 500% jumps in heating costs, thank goodness, many are simply shutting down, literally closing up overnight with no warning. So far, dozens of energy suppliers in the UK have gone bankrupt in just 2 months. And the paper The Guardian reports that households in England, Wales, and Scotland may now be on the financial hook to bail them out, cover more than 3 billion British pounds in costs associated with these collapses. That would amount to about 150 to 175 US dollars per household and send millions into what is called fuel poverty. In other words, barely being able to heat their home or choosing between heating or eating. In other words, a massive publicly funded bailout of big power to keep the heat and the lights on. And maybe a cautionary tale about what happens when a country or an American state doesn't plan ahead for a rainy or a non-windy day. Random, but a little scary.